The Great Pyramid of Giza is the largest of all the Egyptian pyramids and is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. It is located around 5 miles to the west of the Nile River near the city of Cairo, Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is part of a larger complex called the Giza Necropolis. There are 2 other major pyramids in the complex, including the Pyramid of Khafra and the Pyramid of Menkaure. It also includes the Great Sphinx and several cemeteries. When the pyramid was built, it was around 481 feet tall. Today, because of erosion and the removal of the top piece, the pyramid is around 455 feet tall. At its base, each side is approximately 755 feet long. That's well over twice as long as a football field. In addition to being tall, the pyramid is a massive structure. It covers an area of over 13 acres and is constructed with around 2.3 million stone blocks. Each of the stone blocks is estimated to weigh over 2,000 pounds.